Bitvision var mı? Bitvision. Olay.
Apa ini kamu?
This is boy. He is very fashion. He's
China.
South Korea. Yes.
South Korea.
What is it? It is Russia. Yes. What is it?
Russia.
Қалай дұрыс сақтым, Армен?
Сен қандай киімдерді ұнатасың?
Trousers. All right. Good. Thank you.
Slippers.
This is boy. He is very fashion. He's
Қандай киім?
Let's hear from some teenagers with different ideas about what clothes to wear.
I love wearing dresses.
That's because I can wear coats and boots. I've got nice gloves and a floral umbrella too.
Yes.
Yes.
If you choose yellow,
Green.
scarlet,
Green.